Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kakat khandai terek uluber, uway na ki muktiar ya sa an, ubadai nakani kanong ba shilong, Hazarika, unong ya sa nakabenta kinong Hikai, Lower Primary School jong kajala. Hakajing kendo ba kinong patay kubor ha Shillong Press Club, ula pentep yaki jing jong kinong Hikai, hakabay baki kerdan pulih jong ki, hadu baki Nonghikai bala Hikai daki pop na menta, ki hak banyele exam biang banyo yak ta ka 45%, kombala pata nakabot. Halor kani kabentapan nakaliang ka yengshari Meghalaya High Court haka khatlai trek ulber menta usnam kala yak jing bishar bapura yakitu kinong Hikai kibala Hikai Shuwa kasiterek unailar jong snam arjar iway bat pengkesan ru bakim Donkam Shuh Ïakhun yakata ka examen nakabenta ka 100% kumbala penpau min Shuwa.
My question is that in the place in the court that how the government can qualify those who are already the existing teachers of the school. It cannot be. And moreover, those who are appointed as LP school teacher is a matriculate and they are serving in the school, even government and aided or SSA school. Some are more than 25 years. Now same person, as per the National Council for Teacher Education, they have published in 2010 or 23rd August 2010. As per this notification, the qualification required for the LP school teachers is senior secondary at its equivalent with at least 50% mark and 2 years diploma in elementary education. Now this notification, as per this notification, as teachers which has been appointed as per the earlier notification then prescribed qualification fixed by the state government, how the government can change with these NCT norms can apply to these teachers. Then they have filed a writ petition challenging this illegal or impugned notification, which I have told you earlier. Now, while the case is pending, then in the middle what happened? We have filed the case in 2014 by about 200 teachers are the applicants. So while the case is pending and going to be final hearing, in the meanwhile, that Director of School Education and Literacy, Meghalaya, issued a notification on 1st April 2015. Here he has mentioned that those teachers who are appointed prior to 23rd August 2010, the NCT norm is not applicable for them. But this notification also we can challenge because the education qualification, those who are already in job, it cannot be altered. But we could not challenge it because case is already started and it is in the final hearing.